I do have a previous Fibonacci analysis here. If XLM keeps on pushing higher, maybe it might get rejected off the 52-cent level here with a 786 retracements at. But I mean, if XLM continues cashing those bids, I mean, we could see 64 cents all over again for XLM. But wow, talk about a catch-up trade. What does it look like on the weekly chart? Let's take a look at the weekly chart. Look at this weekly God candle, right? Oh, up 82% in 1 week. Wow. Wow, you almost doubled your money with XLM. Congratulations to the XLM investors out there. I know it's been brutal the last few months, but it only took 1 week to like erase all that pain on XLM. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. And if I look at the oscillators for on the weekly time frame, I mean, we're not overbought on XLM, so XLM could continue climbing up to higher prices here. We were overbought back in like November of last year. Yeah, definitely. But yeah, and then looking at the MACD, you're getting your first green candle here. And also on the market cipher B, you got a green dot on the weekly time frame here. Wow, it's saying that now's the time to be in XLM. Congratulations to the XLM investors here. But yeah, if I let me just quickly do a Fibonacci retracement. If this thing starts to lose its momentum and come back down for whatever reason, let's see where it could come down to. Just using Fibonacci here and also the moving average, the 200 moving average is currently sitting at 30 cents. And also the 0.236 is at 28 cents and the 0.382 at 32 cents. So maybe 30 cents is where this thing could come down to if we lose the momentum here and get a nasty correction. But most likely it won't come that far down, especially if Bitcoin's making all-time highs and continuing up to like $120,000, $130,000 Bitcoin. If this thing does come back down, I would expect it to do a modest correction towards like the 0.618 retracement, this golden pocket at like 38 cents. I think 38 cents is where you could buy some cheaper Stellar Lumens if you're bullish on this asset. And that could possibly be where we form a higher low before we go to higher price.